Yay, it's travel day. We're heading off to Virginia today, but of course that means first we gotta do our checks. So check our tire pressures and all the other good stuff. First stop for fuel and check everything over, and of course it starts raining. But everything's good to go and we're gonna hit the road again.
Sounds like we're getting pulled over.
Nice. Oh no, oh no.
What the hell did you do?
Spilled the water. Stop number 2. Starting to rain again. Whatever that is to the left.
Yeah.
When you wake up at the Cracker Barrels, we're in Virginia somewhere. We're not the only one. Everybody's out traveling today. Morning, Captain Deuce. Are you ready for the breakfast? Breakfast time. Gotta feed your watermelon some strawberry. Good morning, my beauteous.
Hi, baby.
Coffee time and then off to look at some properties. Captain Deuce, you sleeping? Deucey, are you sleeping? Ready to go? Way out in the middle of nowhere, like literally nowhere, and you just stumble upon weird shit in the woods. Well, on the side of the road in the woods. We got 2 acres of wooded lot with over 200 feet of water frontage. Yeah, that's where the tree's marked there, so I'm assuming that would be the edge.
Yeah, the and
Right there. This is a really cool property and worth taking a look at. Now we're going to go on some more adventuring. Stumbled upon this little church, St. Paul's Episcopal Church, and a really neat cemetery in the back. It was a really nice day, so we stopped at Lake Gaston Deus area to eat some dinner. Are these both bowls for you? Are you that hungry? We don't get none? It's all for Captain Deuce? I see how it works. Oh, this morning's a little quieter. All we got is the bugs to bother us. Still had a Cracker Barrel, but this one is empty. See? No one's here today. Good morning, Captain Deuce. Are you patiently waiting for your breakfasts? It's cooking. It's cooking, okay? Piece of bread in the meantime. Breakfast done, check's done, doggo's peed, everybody's ready. I'm gonna head on home. We could have both fit, but there's no reason. Decided to have lunch at Prince William Forest National Park and stop at a pond. Captain Deuce leading the way the whole time.
But it doesn't get.
Captain Deuce, gonna go for a swim.
I wouldn't do that.
And we made it back safe and sound. Now back to more fixer-upping. Fixer-upping, there we go.